Open the image that you saved.
Okay, we've uploaded one image. Now we're going, the dorsal image. Now we're going to upload the ventral image. I'm going to go to my folder, open. You can only do one image at a time. There's the image, and you're telling me to select complex over here.
Correct.
So I will select complex, and
then hit continue.
Here I am. Now I'm going to, can I just crop for the first part?
You can.
And why would I not do that?
So I do it just so that I make sure that I can, the more you crop, the more clicks you're going to have to make if you crop too far. Whereas, so this button, the magic wand, only gets rid of continuous colors.
Okay.
So that's why I
do
that first. So it's easier to use the eraser button for that, to get rid of that.
Oh, this?
Yes.
Okay, I've erased it, and now you're asking me to zoom out.
Yep.
And I'm going to get rid of this. And that's it. So now I crop.
Now you crop.
Okay, now I'm going to crop as close as you can, right?
Yeah.
And hit continue.
Correct.
Okay, and save as a print.
Correct. And then once that's selected, you can rename your file if you would like.
Okay, I'm just going to put my initials on the front.
And then hit save.
So that's the procedure for downloading the images.
Downloading and uploading them.
Uploading, yeah.
Okay, so now that you have your images the way that you want them to cut and print, you want to select on both of them. And then hit insert image. So this is going to insert your image into your design space. And here you can change the size. You can do a whole bunch of different things, but for our purpose, really, it's just making sure they're the size that we want it to be.
How come I'm only seeing one image?
They're stacked on top of each other.
Okay.
Which is good. That means they're the same size, so you don't need to mess with that.
So how do I make sure that when they get printed out, they're the actual size of the butterfly?
That's what we need to change. So we need to figure out what size the butterfly is, and I'm not sure what the best step to do that is. So next we are going to size this image to measure correctly.
Its size, and you estimated its size in image J.
Right.
So you know how big the actual butterfly is.
So we estimated the width to be 1.755 inches, and so we're going to select both the ventral and the dorsal image, and we're going to change those both to the width of 1.755 inches, and we're going to change it up here in the size, width, and height. Notice that this is locked, so that way it will correct for both width and height at the same time. So if I change the width, it will proportionally correct the height and vice versa. So I'm going to hit enter, and we have now sized this Lepidoptera species to the correct size that it occurs in nature. And we can zoom in now to get a better view of this.
So we've sized the ventral and dorsal images. We've separated them on this page. And now are we ready to make it?
Yes, we're ready to make it.
Okay, I'm going to click Make It.
So what Make It does, it brings it to your print screen. And now we need to click Continue. And this will print. So we need to actually print this size off. And if we go back, actually, can you click back really quickly? Click yes, and we'll just redo this part. go back to make it. I just wanted to point out that if you see this box around it, this is your box to make sure that you line it up correctly when you go and print.
Okay.
So once you continue, you can now send to the printer. So if you have your computer or laptop hooked up to the printer, you can send directly to a printer, or you can save as a PDF and then print on whatever
Later on.
device you have.
Okay. This might end the video.